Hello guys, this is Samir. Today we are going to learn how to configure RStudio into Ubuntu 16. For that we need one Ubuntu server. I already spun up one Ubuntu server into my AWS console. And we'll install some libraries. Okay, so I'll show you how to configure how to access the UI of RStudio. So first we'll log in SSH on new host. It's done. Great. Cool. Then we'll first be the sudo user, root user, and his new server. So we'll do update. So all library it will download. Done. Great. Then we'll install JDB core. Why? Because we will install Debian file. So this JDB core, that Debian file will install, and we'll install rbase. This is an important library. Yes. Boom. It will install. And after that we'll install, we'll download this deb file. For this tutorial, guys, please go to my website formvalidate.com and you can see this tutorial over there. Okay, today internet is little bit slow. Okay, it's done here. See, now download this AWS internet, that's why it's too fast. See, 20 MB per second. Okay, it's downloaded. Install Debian file and it will automatically. Yes, provide your name, address, contact number if you want to provide. It's optional. And it's done. Right, it's activated. Create one new user because you have to make it separate. So create one RStudio user, so it will use that home directory. Okay, provide password Sam, full name, room number, work phone, home, provide everything. Yes, done. Great. Now you have to access that RStudio from browser. So what you need, IP. If you are installing in your um, office or in your organization, so you have to use there will be private IP, so you can use private IP as well. Okay, so just provide IP and port number is 8787 and enter. You will get this screen definitely. Great. So now you have created this user, right? So use this user. Okay, and whatever password you entered at the time of user creation, just provide that password, so automatically it will connect with that home directory of that particular user. Okay, whatever user you can create. So it's loading, so wait. Why it's not working here? It's showing some error. maybe some server issue, so I'll check it out. Okay. Okay, great. Now you can access your RStudio from browser, and you can install more packages whatever you need. So it's done. So it will take time to install these all those things, so I won't install anything. Okay, just it will install or not. I started installing. See, so whatever you need, just extra package you can install from here. Okay, it's up to you. You can install according to your requirement. Okay. Okay guys, thank you very much. This script I will provide into my website formvalidate.com. I don't know what is the issue with my website. uh, it was working, but now it's showing some connectivity issue. So it will, I'll sort it out. Okay. Okay guys, so hope you enjoy this video, you learn. If you want anything else, just let me know into comment section. And please subscribe my channel. I will create more video for learning. Thank you, and like and comment. Thank you very much.